Well, the absence of Salah Abdeslam certainly set the tone for the day that began at 8:45 when we heard from the lawyers that were representing the injured police and special unit forces. They said that the silence of Abdeslam was just as cowardly as the attacks carried out in both France and Belgium. They believe that he should be charged with attempted murder in a terrorist context, and that he was not just hanging out in apartments eating pizza, apartments that they said were filled with Kalashnikovs. We also heard today from the defendant's lawyer, the co-defendant Sofiane Harari. She read out a letter from the mother of the 24-year-old citizen from Tunisia, saying that her young son had just been manipulated really by his peers, and calling on the Belgian system to show some compassion. But the most anticipated intervention came from Sven Marie. That's a well-known Belgian criminal lawyer who was representing Salah Abdeslam today in court, and he took the courtroom by surprise first when he spent about 1 hour talking about a procedural linguistic error that he had discovered that he believed could actually scupper the whole court case and see all the preparatory work put in the dustbin. It's a very Belgian thing, he said. But then he did, of course, continue to plead the innocence of Salah Abdeslam, saying that on that afternoon, on the 15th of March 2016, Salah Abdeslam was just escaping. He had no intentions to harm anyone, and that he did not fire at any policeman or injure any police that day. Sven Marie said that it was very much Mohammed Belkaid who fired all those rounds. But that's not exactly what the federal prosecutor argued on Monday in a lengthy intervention. She said that both Sofiane Harari and Salah Abdeslam are co-authors of the attack because they both had the intention to kill, and they were both in the possession of those firearms, and they both should face a sentence of up to 20 years, she believes. Now, the case has been adjourned to the 29th of March when the room will hear first from victims' organisations v Europe.